Hi guys, my name is Jeanette. I'm just showing some things that I purchased from Etsy from some of my sisters that I participate in the Jewelry Talk Live on Fridays at 8 p.m. These are some of the ladies that's on there with me. So I'm just showing you some of the things that I purchased from them, showcasing their talents. Got this mixed up. Okay, so this is from Alana. She is from Island Breeze Jewelry, and she makes painted earrings. And these are this is the purchase I made from her. And these are some, I guess, like a acrylic pour earrings with blues and green, white, pink, and the back is painted black with like a sparkly. I really like these. These would be nice in the when it gets warmer in the spring and summer. You wear whites, and a nice dress will go with these. Really nice. And where did I put the put the little thing? Came really nice package too. I already opened it because I'm nosy, and I was stalking the mailman. And there's a thank you card in here also. That's that one. Tied in a bow. It was really packaged nice, but I already opened it, so I can't show you. And this is from Designs by Duchess, and this is a bow accessory for your shirts, t-shirts, what have you. And it's really different. And I got it in green with the fatigue, and then there's a gold accessory in the front, and it goes right here in the front of your shirt. It's really something different and unique. So this is Designs by Duchess. I'll leave all their names in the link below. Came in a really nice box. I already opened it too, and I can use this box for something else. And then this is a shawl scarf that I got from LajoytraCreations. She makes jewelry and handbags and scarves. And this, I just go like this with this. You can use it this way, or you can turn it around and use it that way. And it's not cooperating with me right now. Okay, here we go. And I have one earring on. And this is my swap gift from Designs by Duchess also. We swapped. And these are some green swirl abstract earrings that I really love. And it goes with my outfit. Never mind my hair, I have to wash it. It's just in a wash and go right now. And that is that. These are my purchases from Etsy. Supporting sisters, because we have to support each other. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.